Welcome to Psychology Explorers. In a world where connections and relationships are important, we all want to be liked by others. In this video, we'll explore 5 simple yet effective ways to win people's affection and make a positive impression. Five simple ways to get people to like you. 1. Be genuine and authentic. Authenticity is key. Be true to who you are and embrace your unique qualities. When you are genuine, people can sense it, and they are more likely to be drawn to your authentic self. Don't be afraid to show your true colors and let your personality shine. 2. Show interest in others. People love to talk about themselves and share their stories. Show genuine interest by actively listening and asking meaningful questions. Let others know that you value their thoughts and opinions. By being attentive and engaged, you make people feel important and appreciated. 3. Practice kindness and empathy. Kindness goes a long way in winning people's hearts. Be compassionate and understanding towards others. Show empathy by putting yourself in their shoes and offering support when needed. Small acts of kindness, like a smile or a helping hand, can leave a lasting impression and create positive connections. 4. Be a good communicator. Effective communication is vital in building likability. Be clear, concise, and respectful in your conversations. Maintain a positive tone and avoid negative gossip or criticism. Focus on finding common ground and building others up. By being a good communicator, you create an environment of trust and understanding. 5. Show appreciation and gratitude. Expressing appreciation and gratitude can go a long way in making people like you. Take the time to acknowledge and thank others for their contributions. Show gratitude for their presence in your life. By showing appreciation, you make others feel valued and strengthen your connections. Remember, being liked by others is not about changing who you are, but about embracing your authenticity and practicing kindness, empathy, good communication, and gratitude. By implementing these simple strategies, you'll create meaningful connections and build positive relationships. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more friendly and insightful content. Keep exploring, connecting, and spreading kindness.